Alevia Amla is being promoted as a superfruit capsule that boosts energy, improves metabolism, reduces inflammation, and supports overall health. But the real question is whether it actually delivers or if it's just strong marketing around a basic ingredient. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Amla, Indian gooseberry, is a real superfruit rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, and has some evidence for general health support like immunity and mild metabolic benefits. However, here's the key point. Alevia itself is heavily marketing-driven and not scientifically proven as a product. There are some positives. Alevia uses. A single-ingredient amla extract claims of supporting energy and cellular health standard antioxidant benefits from amla. And yes, amla in general may support immunity, help digestion, provide mild, gradual wellness benefits. That part is real. That said, there are major concerns. First, exaggerated claims. Alevia promotes mitochondrial activation, cellular repair, fat burning, and energy restoration. These are very broad claims with limited direct human evidence. Second, no clinical studies on the product. There are no independent trials proving Alevia itself works, only general claims about amla. From community experience, expectations tend to be realistic, not a sudden boost, more steady over time. So is Alevia Amla real or fake? It's real but overhyped. The bottom line is this. Alevia Amla is a basic amla supplement marketed as a breakthrough superfruit capsule. It may provide small, gradual health benefits, but the big claims around energy, metabolism, and cellular repair are mostly marketing, not proven results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.